Next, we are coming to application of cardinality of set. So in this we are going to see few result. Those are based on the number of element in a particular set. So the results are n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So that can be further used as n of a intersection b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. So these n represent the number of element inside the set given. So we can use these result. We can classify this result in the form as for two sets. So for two sets it can be written as n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. And the second result is n of a intersection b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. The third result is n of a minus b is equals to n of a minus n of a intersection b. Fourth result is n of b minus a equal to n of b minus n of a minus b. And the fifth result is n of universal is equals to n of a plus n of a dash. Now these are all for the joint sets. This is how the sets which have intersection value. For disjoint sets, like this, we have n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b. Now for three sets, n of a union b union c is equals to n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus b intersection c minus a intersection c plus n of a intersection b intersection c. So as you can see, for all the single set together it is positive sign. For the double set together it is negative. Then alternately for triple set it is positive. So the higher version of this we will read later, not this year. So based on this result we are given with certain problems, but before that we have an activity, the activity 4. The activity 4 represent some of the values n of a, n of b, n of a union b, n of a intersection b, n of a minus b and n of b minus a. So in this activity we will be given with certain value and we have to find certain values using these identities. So we are given with n of a is equals to 30, n of b is equals to 45, n of a union b is equals to 65. So n of a union b is equals to, as we know, n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So we are given with n of a union b value, that is 65, n of a value, that is 30, n of b value, that is 45, minus n of a intersection b. So as we calculate this, it becomes 75, goes to that side of equal to becomes minus 75. So it becomes minus 10. So minus n of a intersection b is equals to minus, we cancel minus both side and it becomes n of a intersection b equal to 10. So once we get n of a intersection b, we almost find all the values. So n of a minus b, n of a minus n of a intersection b, just subtract them, it becomes 20. N of b minus a, so n of b minus n of a intersection b, just subtract them, that is the value. Again, in the second index of the second column of the, so the second question is n of a is equals to 20, n of b is not given to us, n of a union b is 55, n of a intersection b is 10. So we write the formula, n of a union b is equals to 55, n of a is 20, n of b is as it is, n of a minus b is 10. So 20 minus 10 is 10, so 55 minus 10 becomes 45. Value of n of b. Once we get value of n of b, it is easy for us to find n of a minus b and using n of a minus n of a intersection b. So 20 minus 10 is 10, n of b minus a, we substitute the value of n of b, 45 minus 10 is 35. Those two are quite simple to find, but we need to follow this formula. N of A is 50, N of B is 65, N of A union B is not given this time. So N of A intersection B is given this time. So we write this formula, substitute here, and we get 90. So adding these 210 and 115 minus 25 becomes 90. Then it is quite easy to find the value of A minus B. So A minus B is equals to N of A minus N of A intersection B. We subtract them. N of B minus A, we subtract them. Now we are coming to the fourth question. The fourth question again states that N of A is equals to 30, N of B is equals to 43, N of A union B is equals to 70, A intersection B is not given. So N of A intersection B is equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. This is union. So 30 plus 43 minus 70, it becomes 73 minus 70. So N of A intersection B is equals to 3. N of A minus B is equals to N of A minus N of A intersection B. So 30 minus 3 is 27. N of B minus A is equals to N of B minus N of A intersection B. 43 minus 3 is 40. So this is how we complete activity 4. Now we shall come to the exercise part. The exercise part starts at exercise 1.6. So after doing this activity, it will be easy for each and every student to understand these types of question number 1 to 3. So that questions we will do in the next part of the video. Please subscribe the channel, share among your friends, complete the activities those are given in the textbook, because it explains the exercise part well. Thank you.